Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Calendly for simplified scheduling and fewer back and forth step by step clearly. To download Calendly, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Calendly and press enter. Look for the official Calendly website in the search results and click on it. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to sign up using your email address or a Google account. Choose your preferred sign-up method and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After creating your account, log in to your new Calendly profile. Once logged in, you'll see options to set up your availability. Before setting up your availability, you can explore the integration section to connect Calendly with your calendar. This helps ensure that your scheduled events sync with your other calendars. Now, you can select the Event Types tab to create different types of scheduling events. Customize each event type according to your needs, including duration and availability. After setting up your events, share your Calendly link with your contacts. You can do this directly through email or by integrating it into your website. Your contacts can now schedule meetings with you without the need for back and forth communication. Using Calendly simplifies your scheduling and saves time for everyone involved. Explore additional features, such as reminders and notifications, for a more efficient experience. And that's how you download and set up Calendly for effective scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.